Hey, I'm Leo, and this is my first video on this channel. In this video, we will be unboxing and testing out the new MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip. This MacBook was purchased at Best Buy with the Upgrade Plus program. It's a financing program that allows you to pay off the laptop in 36 months, and on the 37th month, you could complete the payment or upgrade to the new MacBook Pro that's available at that moment. Now, the reason why I purchased this MacBook is because my previous MacBook, a 2015 MacBook, standard MacBook, wasn't giving me the output that I needed to edit 4K videos. Now, on my other YouTube channel, Home Alone, where I talk about real estate and mortgage loans, I am recording videos in 4K, but at the moment I wasn't able to edit them on iMovie due to the size of the files that 4K came in. And whenever I would try to edit videos, I could only listen to the audio, but the video wouldn't play. Now, this here is a standard MacBook Pro. It doesn't have much of the upgraded features. It's a 14-inch, 16 gigabyte memory, and 1 terabyte storage. Now, the technicians at Best Buy told me that this will be enough for me to edit 4K videos. So they did give me and anybody a 2-week trial to confirm if it is what I need. And if not, I could just return it. Now, if I do return it, I do plan on staying with Mac, but I will upgrade to a M2 Max. So let's get into the unboxing and stay until the end where we will test out the MacBook Pro. All right, so my opinion on the new MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip. Disclaimer, I am not a tech guy, never have been, never will be. But what I could tell you is that there is a grand difference between my previous 2015 MacBook and my new 2023 MacBook Pro. Before I get into the editing features and what I experienced video editing on iMovie, I do want to thank Apple for bringing back the ports. My previous MacBook only had the USB-C port for charging. MacBook brought not only the MagSafe port, but they also brought back the SD port, which is perfect for my video editing. I no longer have to connect with a cable my Canon T8i to my laptop. I could just eject the SD card and slide it into my laptop. Very convenient. Now, in reference to the video editing, as you could see on the test portion of the video, there was some delay on the video coming back to the actual thumbnail on iMovie, but there was no delay in playback. There was no delay in anything whatsoever. So I am happy with that. I don't think I will be returning the MacBook to Best Buy unless they come out with the 32 gig for the M2 Pro, which they told me they might not get that. That's a special feature that you have to order directly through Apple. So I'm totally happy with my MacBook. Won't be returning it to Best Buy. So this is my opinion. This is my video on my new MacBook Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have the MacBook Pro or are interested in purchasing the new MacBook Pro, leave a comment down below with your questions, your concerns, and I'll definitely be happy to research a little bit more on that and respond back to you. Thank you for watching.